Hey friends! Today we are looking at top-rated communication radios designed to keep you seamlessly connected on the open road. In this video, we're taking a look at the best CB radios for trucking road travel in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the cardboard nationwide lifetime free LTE Walkie Talkies. This cutting-edge POC, push-to-talk over cellular, radio completely redefines how driving teams and fleets stay connected over vast distances. Powered by modern 4G, LTE cellular networks, it delivers practically unlimited nationwide range and crystal-clear audio quality without the crosstalk or signal drops commonly associated with traditional radios. Unlike standard CBs, it ensures complete privacy utilizing AES end-to-end encryption, guaranteeing that only authorized group members hear your conversations. It also features a robust back-end management system, allowing dispatchers or admins to effortlessly create groups, assign speaking privileges, and manage individual users via PC. A major highlight for truckers is its lifetime free data service, which seamlessly piggybacks off major networks like AT&T and T-Mobile, meaning absolutely no monthly subscription fees, ever. Pre-configured and ready straight out of the box, it is an exceptional, highly secure choice for logistics professionals. Next up, our second product, the Allervites rechargeable Walkie Talkies. This incredibly compact yet remarkably capable at 888S portable communication device is designed for effortless portability and highly reliable close-range performance. Weighing in at a mere 160 grams, it's lightweight enough to comfortably clip onto a belt, attach to a travel pack, or slip into a pocket without feeling cumbersome during road stops. Fully FCC compliant, it boasts 16 dedicated channels, Vox hands-free operation for safe driving, flashing alerts, active scanning, and convenient wireless frequency replication. It seamlessly integrates with Chirp programming software, making frequency customization an absolute breeze. In open highway scenarios, it delivers a very stable communication range of 3 to 5 miles, while maintaining solid 0.6 to 1.2 mile transmission in denser urban areas. Driven by a 1,500 mAh battery equipped with modern Type-C charging, it guarantees up to 48 hours of standby, easily charging via your truck's standard USB ports. Coming in at number 3, the Eriton Walkie Talkie radio for Group. This AI K8 4G POC model offers exceptionally broad nationwide communication, boasting an impressive coverage footprint of up to 5,000 miles across the continent. By harnessing advanced push-to-talk over cellular technology, it facilitates real-time, ultra-long-distance communication, completely bypassing the frustrating static and limited range of standard analog CB setups. Fully FCC certified for reliable operation, it includes a 365-day annual SIM card providing unlimited high-speed data with zero platform fees, making it a stellar, cost-effective investment for long-haul drivers. The rugged, shockproof, and highly drop-resistant casing easily withstands the rigors of heavy commercial environments, while its integrated noise-canceling microphones guarantee flawless voice clarity over loud engine noise. Supporting both group-wide broadcasts and private one-on-one calls, the complete dual radio package includes headsets, durable clips, and fast chargers, delivering immediate deployment right to your dashboard. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Retevis long-range channel CB radio. The MB1 Professional Kit is a brilliant, traditional solution for truckers and serious road travelers demanding performance, clarity, and simple convenience. Packed with essential advanced features, such as automatic squelch, ASQ, standard squelch, SQ, HI cut filtering, RF gain control, and a dedicated noise blanker, it dramatically cleans up your audio, even in interference-heavy environments. This comprehensive kit notably includes a magnetic mount antenna right out of the box, meaning you are ready to broadcast immediately. Supporting both AM and FM modes, it provides great versatility. Switch to FM for crystal clear, noise-free local sound, or drop to AM for classic long-distance skip communication. Highly compact and incredibly easy to install, the unit fits neatly into tight modern cabs, utilizing a 5-meter coaxial cable for flexible antenna placement. Complete with a 7-color adjustable backlight and Vox hands-free operation, it's a timeless road companion. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Baofeng rechargeable Walkie Talkies. The F22 two-way radio is a feature-packed, highly dependable communication tool excellent for both professional logistics and recreational convoy travel. Offering 22 standard FRS channels, alongside 50 CTCSS and 105 DCS privacy codes, it ensures highly secure, interference-free conversations on crowded frequencies. Designed for maximum road versatility, it features a built-in bright flashlight, Vox hands-free mode, dual-channel monitoring, and pristine HD audio. Crucially for road trips, it also includes 12 NOAA weather channels with active alert functions to keep you ahead of severe storms. A vibrant backlit LCD screen, secure keypad lock, and low battery alerts add outstanding convenience during nighttime driving or emergencies. Powered by an upgraded 1,400 mAh rechargeable battery featuring modern Type-C charging, it provides excellent standby times and recharges effortlessly from any vehicle USB port. Durable and rain-resistant, this 4-pack is completely ready for your next major journey. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.